Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In my last video I showed you how to create a dream house for my paper Barbie can, and I decided that my Barbie need a fabulous new spring wardrobe. Let me take you on a closer look at outfits I designed for her. First up, I crafted a delightful outfit featuring a soft pink top with a lovely white print. I also added stylish jeans and pink shoes. I thought it would be the perfect touch to add a beige handbag to complete the look. I mean, who doesn't love a great accessories? Of course, I couldn't resist making a pink dress too. Barbie looks absolutely gorgeous in it, especially with these pink boots. And just in case the weather gets a bit chilly, I made sure she has a light blue jacket to keep her warm during her spring strolls. For the warmer days, I designed a fun outfit with blue shorts and bright yellow t-shirt. I think they go together beautifully. To add a bit of flair, I added cute beige boots and a gorgeous green skirt adorned with roses. Barbie is definitely ready for some sunny adventures. Next, I put together pink top and beige skirt. This outfit is perfect for shopping trips or walks with friends. And if the temperature drops, Barbie can always throw on a pink jacket and carry her handbag when she goes for a walk. For Barbie's special date night, I choose a glamorous pink top and stylish pants, but I think something is missing. I decided to add a bouquet of flowers to really elevate the look. Now she looks absolutely gorgeous. Now that I've shown you the spring wardrobe, it's time to share how to create it and even make your own doll. First, you will need to print out the template. The link you will find in the description of this video. I usually print mine on regular computer paper, but you can choose any paper that you like. Next, gather your supplies. You will need double-sided tape to attach clothes and details. Of course, glue and scissors. In the template, you will find 2 pages with dolls, 1 page with moving doll and the other one with standard paper doll. For example, if you don't have mini brats, you can always choose which doll you want to print. For the moving doll, you will need mini brats. The size which I use you can see on the screen. I'll show you how to make holes for the brats using a handy tool, but you can also use a needle if that's easier for you. To laminate pages, you can use either transparent tape or lamination film, both work great. Matte or glossy lamination film, it won't affect the result, so use iron or laminating machine if you have one. I will not laminate these 4 stripes because I need them to bend the details. Once you have everything ready, it's time to put some calming music or a good movie and start cutting the details. For the closet, glue 2 stripes for the back sides. Flip it over and add 2 more stripes. Then glue on cover details. Next, we need to make a pocket for the doll. Glue 3 stripes of double-sided tape along the edge and attach the pocket to the cover. Use double-sided tape, cut small piece, attach it to the dress and secure the dress to the hanger. Let's make the doll. Start by gluing the arm pieces together. Make holes in the shoulders and elbows where are the marks shown. Use mini brats to fasten the joints, trimming the ends for safety. Repeat for the other arm. Fasten the back part of the body and arms at the shoulders in the same way. Don't forget to trim the ends of the mini brats. Once the arms are done, glue the body and arms together. Make holes in hips and attach the upper leg pieces to the body. Trim the end of mini brads with scissors. Glue the hip pieces to the doll. Make holes in the doll's knees where are the marks shown. Secure the knees with mini brads. Finally, glue the remaining pieces and our doll is ready. Now we can store our doll in the pocket. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell so you won't miss any of my future crafting adventures. Make paper dolls with joy and happiness, and I hope to see you in my next videos. Bye!